So, One Water, how far did you go with your education?
I didn't go very far because the school was just behind our house.
La mkuu uvunjika wapi?
Shingo.
Lakini wewe hata Kiswahili chenyewe hujui.
Nimethani.
Uvunjika mguu.
Oh.
Ilka kwa kizungu ni?
It's about to go back.
Hari. Hari.
I'm fighting against poverty, and you want me to fight for your love.
Unaweza pata kuku ni kuota, jubata ni mzinga.
What's your new language?
We don't call them, they just come and buy.
Hip hop Francis amewekwa kwa fridge. Tunaweza muita ice pop.
TikTok.
I love Insta.
Gram.
I love Face.
Book.
I love you.
Thank you.
YouTube.
Why are you single?
When I like them, they don't like me. When they like me, I don't like them.
Kizungu kwa Kisungu tunasemaje?
Kiingereza.
We, kijana kwenyu ni wapi? Mimi nakaaga pahali nje. Ati nje. Sinaga pahali ya kukaa.
I have feelings for you.
Sell and give me the money.